Hello everyone, so here's a quick overview of Parodist app, which is a new viral app. You can download it from App Store, Parodist. This is the app. So you can create clips with celebrities' voices. So to create an account, just go to the app, enter your name, and that's it. You don't need email or sign up, and then you can just use the app for free. So here are a few tabs. So first tab is that just memes. It's like phrases of famous people.
Oh, guys.
But
I think I see a person who will achieve a lot in life.
something like that. So that's like a Billie Eilish voice, and these are like some top memes right now, and you can listen to them. And yeah, you can see how many upvotes each meme got. So that's that. You can see your recent memes which you searched. You can filter by specific people. And then if you want to enter your text, not all of these celebrities will be available. Only limited number. So like you can sound something like Homer Simpson or something like that, and you can enter any text you want. So that's pretty cool.
So just wait a bit. Alrighty guys, so I've waited.
And then after that you just saved it and it's voiced.
Hello.
So something like that, and then it's voiced. You can save it here, and then you can just delete, copy, share. If you want to share that, you can just share like, I don't know, like other, like here. That's how it works. But the coolest part is these templates. So these templates, you can actually edit small part of it. Specifically, just enter the name. You can enter any name you like, and there are some spelling tips. And then you can just voice this joke. But of course, in a free version, you will have ads. Yeah, so sorry for waiting. Let's just like, yeah, okay. You can of course upgrade, and then you won't be able to see these ads. So you won't see these ads, but yeah. And then the joke is saved.
Dear John, the person who sent this message asked me to tell you that you're a savage, classy, boju, ratchet, who knows.
And then again, you can just save it to your device, share on Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. So that's pretty cool part. Then there is like, there are games. You can, for example, try record your voice and see which your voice is sound too similar to. So that's that. There are some different other games. Which character on Rick and Morty does your voice sound like? Then there is your account, nothing here. There is your profile. You can add your TikTok username here, change language. There is your inbox. And if you want to get a subscription, that's how much it costs. It costs $29 per year, $4 per week, $5 per month. And that's about that. So that's the idea of this app. I hope you enjoyed it. So yeah, I don't know what that means. And yeah, probably you can also record videos here, but I didn't try it yet. So try that, leave your experience reviews in the comments below, and let's see how it works. So anyway, thanks for watching. For reviews on this app or any other app, or if you have any questions, just go to mrhack.io and join the community, post in forums and stuff like that.